Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. This is your host John Henry C. Arceo. In this video, I will discuss three basic topics in C++ programming. These are variables, operators, and if-else statements. For each topic, I will explain the concept, show a C++ simple code example, and discuss the output. Our topic number one is variables, scope, and initialization. Variables are used to store data in a program. In C++, we must declare a variable and give it a value before using it. This is called initialization. The scope of a variable means it can be accessed in the program. Here is the example of the code. Here, integer age is equal to 18. Creates a variable named age and assigns the value 18. The variable can only be used inside the main function. The output is obviously 18. The program will display its value stored in the variable. Our topic number 2 is operators, arithmetic, and assignment. Operators are symbols used to perform operations. Arithmetic operations like addition and subtraction are used for calculations, while the assignment operator equals stores value. Here is an example. The value of A and B are added using the plus operator. The result is stored in the variable sum. In the output, the program will print the result of the addition. And lastly, our topic number 3, simple selection or if-else. The if-else statement is used for decision making. It allows the program to choose what code to run based on a condition. This is an example. The program checks if the number is greater than 0. If the condition is true, the if block runs. Otherwise, the else block runs. The output is, since the 10 is greater than 0, the program prints positive number. In conclusion, to summarize it, we learned about variables and initializations, operators for calculations, if-else statements for decision making. These are basic concepts that help build more advanced C++ programs. And as you saw, we showed you the examples of each problem and each examples. I hope you've learned a lot and thank you for watching this video.